Okay, hi everyone. Natasha here with my trusty sidekick. Hello. Can you say hi?
Hi.
So we are here. It is Tuesday. We've made it through our second day of school. We might need to go to bed a little earlier tonight, but we're doing pretty good, right? Okay. So what are we in here today to do? Do you remember? We're going to work on the holiday cleanup mission number 2. Okay, so let's see what the fly lady says. She says, today you are to spend just 15 minutes putting away the new holiday gifts that are still hanging around. If you have the empty boxes and directions to things still hanging around, get rid of them or put away what you need to save. Set your timer and work fast. Then sit back and celebrate what you have done. And she also says if you didn't use a holiday control journal this year, you can get a jump start on next year by downloading it now as you are cleaning up after the holidays. You will see lots of things to make notes about. Either use your old holiday control journal or start with a new one. Okay, so that's our mission for today. I have our timer set, and Miss Adelina is going to be my helper today, right? So we have 15 minutes on the timer, so I'm going to start that. Oops, sorry. Oh, get my glasses back. All right, let's look for some gifts we can put away. And as you can see, we got this whole pile of boxes and paper and all that is put away now, so that is better. Okay, so let's come over here because I think I saw some things that belonged to Adelina. So that's an Adelina gift, and that is a headband. And what else? A pen. Yep. Now that is a mug that can stay for being put away. Yep. Your cat's cradle. We haven't even gotten into this and learned how to do it yet, have we?
Well, you kind of done.
Kind of, but we need to do some more. And
Can
then
we play this after?
this would be cool to play. Yeah, backyard scientist. You want to show them in the video what it looks like? Hold it still. There you go. Whoops, there's a glare on it anyway. That's it. All right, great. Let's put that in your basket so we can go put that away. And then...
Ooh, this is mine, I think.
Is that? Okay, let me see. Yep, and actually Daddy's is right there. So we got some gift certificates to the spa by our house, which is really nice.
How did yours go?
Let's see. I saw something else a minute ago. What was it? Oh, this whole box is all Daddy's stuff. So do you think you can...
Are you sure?
Well, most of it is Daddy's stuff. That's his gift certificate, so this must be mine over there.
Yeah.
Okay. Silly me. Okay. And then...
Yes, me too, that
yeah. Okay, so I don't think these candies are his, though.
Yeah,
all right, so can you do me a favor and run that in and put it on Daddy's side of the bed?
Wait, no, he got his candies in his stocking.
Oh, okay. Well, we'll leave them in here. Or do you want to take your gifts and I'll take Daddy's?
Let's just go.
Leave that in there? Okay, that sounds good. Okay, you want to take your basket or mine? That looks like trash. That can go right over there.
I like it.
Does it recycle? Come on, our timer's running. We don't want to get too much. It's a 1, so we can recycle that in the plastic. Okay, so take those things to your room, and I'll keep looking for things. Oh, I found one more. Your snow boots. So we probably don't need the box for them, right? Take those out. I know. Can you carry those too? Is that too heavy? In there too? Oh my goodness. Oh, that might be heavy. All right, so there's one more box to get rid of. Okay, we're moving you over a little bit, and I don't know where the timer is, but I think we still have a few minutes left.
We have to find it for you.
We have them here. So these are all family photos. So we need to go through these with Dad. Hey. What are you doing? All right. These are more gifts. So you got another stocking. Okay, so I think... Do you want to keep this or do you want to put it in with your...
Keep it.
Do you want to keep it for next year when we get Christmas stuff out? Or should we do it now? You want to color it now? Color it now? Okay.
So then I can look at...
Probably your stocking could go for next year.
But
or you want to work on that?
I want to color.
So it looks like these are all things that we really could use now. There's coloring pages. Let's that? Animal crackers. I think these were all from Grandma's house, if I remember right.
Yeah.
Some games. Okay,
I
so
see
there's...
the things. Oh, the squirrel one. Let's play the squirrel
that
one.
would be fun.
Let's play the squirrel one.
Okay, so that is all stuff we can take to your room, and we can work on putting those away. Can you take that to your room, please? And we'll work on putting those away. And then I know for sure all of these good gourmet hot chocolate and coffee mixes can get put away.
Probably not in the piano where we have
Yeah, in the kitchen would be good, I think, wouldn't it?
Yes.
So what's in here? More chocolate. I think basically these are the only things here that need to stay. All right. So this whole basket could get put away. I can get these off. I'll get rid of that. There's one. So I have an aunt that every year she gives us all an ornament. So this is this year's ornament. It's just a little plastic bauble, but then there's a friend of hers that does craft projects. So she has crocheted a lovely little lace covering. So here's another one. So we each have a matching ornament for this year, okay? There should be one more in there, I think.
Let me find it,
Let me
please.
see. Oh, maybe not. Maybe we only got those two. I don't remember.
That's so cute. And what's this?
Okay. I think
This
these
is
are
a
all
blue cow.
ornaments and cards that could go, not cards, ornaments and coffee and
Everything else.
goodies that could all go.
I don't see it.
That is, oh, that's a pretty
Wait,
ornament too.
Okay. It is like.
Ooh, and we got some homemade pepper jelly from our aunt.
What's pepper jelly?
It's spicy. Probably not for you, huh? That'll be for me and Daddy. Okay, and then can you?
Play that?
Yeah, this could be something fun.
Wait,
To,
I
oh,
don't play that.
this could be something fun to do too.
What is
We haven't
this?
done
Is
that
this
yet.
a Sago cookie?
It is a sugar cookie.
Yeah.
Yum yum.
And
We
this
got
for me.
some soap refills, all kinds of
This
goodies.
for me, Mom.
Okay, can you find the timer? I think it's over there on this other side of the table. Be careful of the tripod. Can you go around there? Go around.
This one I'm
Go around that way. There you go. You see the timer anywhere? Right here on the table, sweetheart.
Oh, yeah.
Can you show it to me? Do we have any time left? Ooh, 6 minutes. Holy cow. Well, this is going by fast. So basically, we just need to take these last two bags. That's all decorations and stuff that'll get packed away. And I think
Maybe my
that's
slime
everything
will be
that's
good
under the
now.
tree.
I'm gonna just touch my slime.
Okay.
Ooh,
All right. Can you tell our friends goodbye?
Goodbye.
Oh, that slime that we made at her school. Here, this is where we need to point over there. So she made that slime for their Christmas party at school, or holiday party. So, all right. Well, thanks for joining
And
me.
there's something wet in it.
Oh man, we're gonna have fun putting away all these gifts, but we've got lots of time left yet. 5 minutes, so hopefully we can get the last of it put away in the 5 minutes, or have fun playing with some slime. So thanks again. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button down below. Hopefully you're doing well with
And
your
the like
Christmas.
button is over there.
Hopefully you're doing well with your holiday cleanup missions, and I will look forward to seeing you tomorrow with the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye. Can you say bye?
Bye bye.
Bye-bye. I'm back one more time. Just was noticing there are some things buried under here that are actually gifts. I don't know how well you can see that, but I got a new set of skillets for Christmas, so I'm going to put these away as well, and that way now, after that, I think we'll have all the Christmas gifts put away. So that feels good. It was not really as bad as I thought. I was expecting there to be a lot more in here, so okay, we'll move on to finish that up and then be done. See you next time. Bye-bye.